Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable advanced data protection on iOS 27. Okay, the thing is really easy. First, open up the settings. Now, tap on your name, on your Apple account. Then, find iCloud. Keep scrolling down until you find the advanced data protection. Tap on that, scroll down a little, and then click on Turn on Advanced Data Protection. In here, you'll have to set up the account recovery. You gotta tap the button down below, and you'll have to add the recovery contact. If you want to do it, click on Choose, and then you'll have to add the recovery contact from your list. And that's basically the thing. And then you'll have to confirm with the passcode. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.